Intro, did you know that deep inside of you, there's an intricate city bustling with life, working tirelessly 24/7? No, it's not the latest blockbuster movie setting, it's your gut. If you've ever felt like there's more to nutrition than meets the eye, you're absolutely right. And today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the alleys of our internal city. For everyone who's keen on clean nutrition, this video is your map. So, stay with us. Hello to our wonderful health and fitness central community. How often do we hear about gut health these days? From magazine covers to wellness blogs, everyone's talking about it. But why? Let's dive deep. Secret no. 1. Your gut isn't just responsible for digestion. Imagine it as a metropolis, buzzing with life and activity. Millions of micro-residents live there. Some are helpful, ensuring the city thrives, while others, well, they cause a bit of mischief. The balance between these residents is delicate, and the foods we eat can tilt the scales. But how do we ensure our gut city thrives? Yogurt. Picture yogurt as the friendly neighborhood community centers of our gut city. Full of life, these hubs, filled with probiotics, keep our internal city alive and thriving. Fermented foods. Now, every city loves a good carnival, right? Foods like kimchi, tempeh, and kombucha bring the festive vibe to our gut. These are packed with diverse probiotics that ensure a rich and colorful city life. Fiber-rich foods. Infrastructure is essential for any city. In our gut city, oats, beans, and berries act as the bridges and roads, ensuring everything flows smoothly. They keep the city traffic in check and ensure no backlogs. Ginger. Every city has its peacekeepers. In the world of gut foods, ginger takes the crown. It's like the firefighter, calming inflammation and putting out digestive distress. Bone broth, an old guardian, rich in wisdom. It's like the libraries and museums of the city, preserving history, repairing the walls, and ensuring growth. Now, with this city analogy in mind, think about it. When we flood our system with processed foods, it's like a city under smog. Everything becomes hazy, signals get mixed up. But by focusing on clean nutrition, it's like we're giving our city the best sanitation workers, ensuring clean streets and happy residents. A flourishing gut city translates to improved energy levels, a brighter mood, and even glowing skin. It's amazing how everything's interconnected. And it's not just about the foods we add, it's also about the toxins we remove. Clean nutrition is the watchword. So, here's a challenge. Over the next 10 days, try to integrate these foods into your meals. Make it fun. Perhaps a yogurt parfait for breakfast, a kimchi-topped salad for lunch, or a soothing mug of bone broth in the evening. Track the changes and share your experiences. We bet you'll feel the difference. If you've made it this far, kudos. Your gut city appreciates the love and attention. And remember, this video is just the tip of the iceberg. Our series on clean nutrition is filled with gems, so make sure to watch them all for the complete toolkit. Before we sign off, let's get interactive. Here's a question for you, that is, which food from our list are you eager to introduce into your meals, and why? Share your thoughts below. And if you're as enthusiastic about health as we are, make sure to subscribe. Here's to a vibrant, happy gut city, and to you. Cheers!